Hello, good morning. All of you are keeping well, I hope. Today is a very exciting day for us. It is our 32nd Pranay Milan we are doing virtually for the first time. We have done it many years in all the states in real form, and it was started by Delhi Foundation of Deaf Women, which was the original foundation, and for so many years we have been doing that. But in 2014 we started All India Foundation of Deaf Women, where Delhi Foundation of Deaf Women is part of that, and other 13 states also joined. So we are the only association which is in 14 states for girls, deaf girls in the country at the national level. So between 14 states, amongst all our deaf girls, we have a big voice to say to the country what we mean and what we want and demand our rights. All India Foundation of Deaf Women has been doing a lot of work between all the states. We have not only Pranay Milan, but skilling in all the areas of computers and tailoring. During this pandemic period, our deaf girls, although all offices are closed, from their own homes, they made some snacks and face masks and trying to sell to the community and make some earnings. We are very proud that they're trying to do all this in difficult times. And we also collected a lot of funds and food supplies and distributed to all those who actually don't even have any food to eat in those beginning months when COVID came as a surprise. After 2-3 months, they were in bad shape. So all states had helped, the real needy poor girls and the families. And I'm very proud of that, and I congratulate all those people who have helped these girls. And today, in this Pranay Milan, we have high hopes that although it's virtual, something good will happen. People will find their partners, and all the other Pranay Milans we've had have been hugely successful, and they would meet up and get married and have normal children and come back and talk to us about it and tell us about it. And that's how they have a Sahara, a support in life. So we would like to continue it every year in different states as much as possible. And I'm so happy the parents and I'm very proud to introduce you to our chief guest, Mrs. Eileen Nandi. She is the Minister Counselor for Commercial Affairs in United States of America in the embassy in New Delhi. That means for all Indian business, trade, and other opportunities and all the decisions that made by both the governments, she's part of that as the senior most, and that she's a lady heading this. I'm very proud that she has done many positions in many countries before this, and now she's heading this top position. More than that, she is a very capable, enlightened, and an achiever in our country and also in other countries. Before this, she was in many countries and held highest positions. And today, we are very proud that she's heading this position in India. She's almost the top for business for the country. I want to add one thing, that although she's very busy, and the moment I requested if she could come and say a few words, she was very happy. I would like to introduce you to Mr. K.V. Chowdhury, our guest of honor. He has been a big supporter for All India Foundation of Deaf Women. He attended all our functions in Delhi, and now because of this virtual event, we are inviting him to address us, and please welcome him. His background is he's a successful officer in the government of India. He reached the highest position as chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes, CBDT, and then after he completed that, he was appointed by the government to the highest position as a Central Vigilance Commissioner. So, the entire country came under his vigilance, and he had done many campaigns for vigilance, and he's been a very, very, very accomplished person in all these positions, and we are very happy that he has a soft corner for helping poor girls who are really struggling to make it in life, and he's always been helpful. Now he's on lot of boards and doing a lot of work in the country, and I request him to also address us, and I thank you very much, Mr. Chowdhury, for always supporting our cause, and I would like to tell all my guests here, all the participants, about the role Uma Kapoor has been playing in this. She has been there from day one, and it is the reason why I have got involved is her dedication to help the deaf girls. So my involvement is I made sure that it has gone to 14 states and made it larger and help others, everybody. But always she's the person who supported this cause. And I'm also extremely thankful to our Vice President, Mrs. Minu Singh, who is extremely helpful to this foundation work, and also especially in Delhi foundation work. And I'm very thankful that she's part of our team. And we have a lot of vice presidents across the country and other secretaries. But the speaking persons, Snigdha Sharma and Anjali Rane, are part of the speaking community who actually help us to do all these programs. And today they will be actually doing all the translations to all of you in sign language. I thank all of them and all the staff across in all the states who are helping us, and all the regional people, presidents.
Hi, hello. My name is Eileen, and like you, I don't hear well. I wear 2 hearing aids. I haven't learned to sign, but maybe I can work with you all and you can teach me some sign. But I would like to say a big hello and offer my full support. What I'd like to do is offer some encouragement and encourage all of you to believe in yourselves and your abilities. There will be many people who will say, you can't do that, you speak funny, I don't understand you. Or they talk to you like this. I've had that my entire life. I know what it feels like. But I encourage all of you to believe in your inner dreams. Work hard, study hard, fight for yourselves. Fight for your future. Tell people, those around you, what you want from them, how to interact with you. Fight for yourselves. I know you can do it. I look forward to hearing more about your many achievements, and I wish you all success for today's program.
Mrs. Rajalakshmi Rao, Chairperson, All India Federation of Deaf Women, Srimati Uma Kapoor, Secretary General of the Federation, distinguished guests and participants, prospective brides and grooms. It gives me great pleasure to be a part of this congregation through the video conference mode. Unfortunately, on account of the COVID-19 situation, we are not able to physically meet for this Pranay Milan get-together. I am associated with this organization since 2011, thanks to my introduction by Srimati Rajalakshmi Rao. I have seen this association grow from a small Delhi-centric organization to a federation of associations of such deaf women across the country. They have been holding several get-togethers, cultural functions, skill development women who have a difficulty in reaching out to people who will be suitable to them to share their life. And I have been seeing year after year a good number of wedding knots being tied through this platform. I must say, these matches made through Pranay Milan, I understand, have been very successful because it has been a tradition that some of the, if I can use the word, alumni or people who got married through this Pranay Milan do come back to the subsequent Pranay Milans and share their experience, share their joy, and we can see them really happy. I wish all the participants good luck. I wish and pray that they will find a suitable mate to their liking and they will have a very happy, peaceful, prosperous, understanding and very good, long, good luck. I wish and pray that they will find a suitable mate to their liking and they will have a very happy, peaceful, prosperous, understanding and very good, long married life. I wish the association, in particular its members, all the best. The short difficulty on account of COVID-19 will not sully your efforts. You will certainly take this organization to the next higher level. God bless you all. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत नमस्कार आप सब लोगों को और बहुत स्वागत है इस मंच पे जो आप लोग सब लोगों ने हमारी संस्था में DFDW में एंड ऑल इंडिया फाउंडेशन में विश्वास किया और आप अपने लड़के लड़कियों के लिए अच्छा पार्टनर ढूंढने के लिए आज यहाँ सब उपस्थित हो रहे हैं और ये वीडियो के ज़रिए और इस तरह का पहला प्रोग्राम है पता नहीं कैसा रहता है लेकिन वी ऑल होप फॉर गुड सो दैट आप अपने बेटे एंड बेटियों के लिए अच्छी जोड़ी ढूंढ सके। दो चीज़ें मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि एक तो ठीक है शादी करना बहुत अच्छी बात है लेकिन आज आपको कोई जोड़ा मिल भी जाता है जो कोई एक पेयर मिल भी जाता है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है आप शादी जरूर करें लेकिन आपने अपने बेटी को या बेटे को जो भी गुण सिखाया हो जो भी पढ़ाया लिखाया हो खासकर लड़कियों की बात मैं कर रही हूँ वो उनको शादी के बाद छोड़ने मत कहना छोड़ना भी मत। इनफैक्ट जो बहू आपके घर आती है प्लीज उसके काम को आप रेस्पेक्ट करो उन्होंने जो भी कुछ सीखा है वो उनको आप करने दो। वो थोड़ा सा भी अमाउंट अगर घर में पैसा लाती हैं तो वो उनको उससे बहुत खुशी होएगी और क्योंकि आपके बेटे के साथ आपने देखा ही होगा या आपकी बेटी के साथ आपने देखा ही होगा कि अगर आप साइन लैंग्वेज नहीं जानते हैं तो कितनी प्रॉब्लम होती है। तो मैं तो यही कहूँगी कि साथ साथ आप सब लोग साइन लैंग्वेज भी सीखे जाए ताकि जो लड़की आपके घर आ रही है उसकी भी बात आप समझ सकें फ्रस्ट्रेशन ना हो और एक लड़के लड़की भी आपस में बात कर सके क्योंकि साइन लैंग्वेज ऐसी चीज़ है कि आप सब समझ सकते हैं और एक तरह से ये अब एक भाषा ही है जैसे फ्रेंच है जर्मन है इंग्लिश है अगर आप पूरे दोनों परिवार सीख लेते हैं तो इट्स लाइक अ लैंग्वेज ओनली। आप एक लैंग्वेज क्या है एक दूसरे को आप अपने दिल की बात बताना चाहते हैं।
नमस्ते सभी डेफ लड़के लड़कियों और उनके परिवारजनों का मैं स्वागत करती हूँ। ये इंडिया में सबसे पहला इस तरह का वर्चुअल मैट्रिमोनियल इवेंट होने जा रहा है। कोरोना की परेशानी के कारण हम लोग हर साल की तरह फिज़िकल इवेंट नहीं कर सके, इसीलिए हमने ये इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है ताकि सब लोग आराम से घर पे सेफली अटेंड कर सकें इसे। मुझे खुशी है कि सब ने कोऑपरेट किया है। मैं राज्य लक्ष्मी राव जी का धन्यवाद करती हूँ, जो ऑल इंडिया फाउंडेशन ऑफ डेफ वुमेन की फाउंडर चेयरपर्सन है, और वो IACC की एलन जी को एज चीफ गेस्ट यहाँ लेकर आई हैं। मैं उनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ। मैं श्री KV चौधरी जी का धन्यवाद करती हूँ। उन्होंने एज गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर यहाँ आज अपना प्रेजेंस देने के लिए एक्सेप्ट किया है। वो हर साल हम सबको बहुत अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स देते हैं। मैं उनके बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ। उन्होंने हमेशा AIFTW और DFTW को सपोर्ट किया है। अभी प्रोग्राम ये पहली बार है इस तरह का प्रोग्राम, तो सबको बहुत डाउट और कन्फ्यूजन्स था। काफ़ी फ़ोन कॉल्स और क्वेरीज आती थी रोज़। सब हमने एक्सप्लेन किया और पेशेंटली इसको मैनेज किया है। सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स आज ये इवेंट को ध्यान से देखें। डेफ बॉयज़ गर्ल्स अपना इंट्रोडक्शंस देखें। जो भी डिटेल्स, उनके पेरेंट्स भी इंट्रोडक्शन सुन सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं, और जो उनको डिटेल्स सही लगती है वो नोट डाउन कर लें। और इवेंट के बाद में दी गई कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स पर अपने पसंदीदा पार्टनर जो उनको पसंद है उनसे बात कर सकते हैं। बाद में मिलने का प्लान करके इसको आगे ले जा सकते हैं। अब हम गणेश वंदना से शुरुआत करेंगे। थैंक यू।
नमस्ते। ये मेरी बहन है, इनका नाम लक्ष्मी जायसवाल है। ये मुकबदिर हैं, डीफ है। इनकी आयु 28 वर्ष है। इनकी जात ओबीसी है। इनका धर्म हिंदू है। इन्होंने इंटरमीडिएट तक शिक्षा प्राप्त की हुई है। ये सरकारी नौकरी करती हैं, डाक विभाग लखनऊ उत्तर प्रदेश में सॉर्टिंग असिस्टेंट के पद पर कार्यरत हैं। इनका घर लखनऊ उत्तर प्रदेश में है। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अलका शर्मा है। मैं विपिन के बड़ी बहन हूँ। मेरे भाई का नाम विपिन कुमार झा है। उसने +2 किया हुआ है। पंजाब नेशनल बैंक में वह क्लर्क के जॉब करता है। उसने कंप्यूटर कोर्स भी किया है। उसकी सैलरी 25,000 है। हम हिंदू फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं। हमारा कास्ट है पंडित। हम 4 भाई बहन हैं। वो सबसे छोटा है। घर में मम्मी पापा हैं। हम पंजाब के
नमस्कार, मैं इंद्रजीत सिंह बोल रहा हूँ, दिल्ली से बोल रहा हूँ। और मेरी बेटी 23/7/92 का उसका डेट ऑफ बर्थ है। 10th पास है और भारतीय तनेजा से उसने ब्यूटिशियन का कोर्स किया हुआ है। और दिल्ली में हम रहने वाले हैं, दिल्ली के रहने वाले हैं। एक उसका ब्रदर है, MBA की हुई है। एक उसकी सिस्टर है, MBA की हुई है, मैरिड है। और दिल्ली में हम रहते हैं।
I feel immensely pleasure to congratulate All India Foundation of Deaf Women for completing successfully 32 years of Pranamilan Sammelan. I would like to heartily thank you, Miss Eileen Nandi, who is Minister of Counselor for Commercial Affairs, US Embassy in Delhi. Mr. K.V. Chaudhary, who is Chief Vigilance Commissioner of Central Board, Direct Taxes. I would like to thank Ms. Rajalakshmi Rao, who is the founder chairperson of All India Foundation of Deaf Women and president of Delhi Foundation of Deaf Women. I would also like to thank Ms. Meenu Singh, who is vice chairperson of All India Foundation of Deaf Women and vice president of Delhi Foundation of Deaf Women. I would also like to thank Ms. Uma Kapoor, who is General Secretary of All India Foundation of Deaf Women and Delhi Foundation of Deaf Women, to grace the occasion with their presence in virtual event. I would also like to thank Ms. Ojaswini and Mr. Abhishek Kumar. They really work hard for this virtual event. I would also like to thank Mr. Abhishek Kumar's with their team, who really work hard for this event to get this event successful. Without these two people, Without these two people support, we are not be able to get this event successful. I would also like to thank Ms. Snigdha Sharma, who is executive of All India Foundation of Deaf Women and Delhi Foundation of Deaf Women. She is also vice president of All India Foundation of Deaf Women, who really work hard to get connected with the deaf candidates and deaf families. With these three people, and without these people support, we are not be able to get the successful event. I would also like to thank the deaf candidates and their family for this attending this virtual event, and I would also wishing you all the best to get the correct match. Good luck. Thank you.